Back down there in Marseille, South France. Smooth little aircraft this, and
see more later. Only 80 horsepower, tremendous performance. Now Guy's rolling the right way up. He's getting himself into position. At Nankova, and we were not only impressed by the fact that this big aircraft, it is very big, was being flown by a tiny little girl, but also that she was vying to be the aerobatic champion of the world.
dramatic stuff indeed, Brendan. Remarkable aircraft, but not all the same, these aircraft, are they?
Monoplanes in the world. There they are now, upside of the technical difficulty of what they do is really quite smoke on now, change of formation, and look at that, a sideways yaw in formation. They are the only two pilots in the world performing that. This aircraft has held the centre stage, the SU-26 at the World Aerobatic Championship for many years, and even as we speak, the World Aerobatics taking place at Silverstone. Formation tail slides, the aircraft sliding backwards in formation.